All right, third one in the lake. Yeah, waiting and then setting it up in the dark and hopefully get a good day today and catch the stripers. Well, it's supposed to be 3 miles per hour, but it feels a little bit faster than that. Feels like maybe 9 miles per hour. I hope it dies off because I'm already here. Alright, the last time I came here it was a little too windy. I got on the water and pretty much got pushed out and got off the water early. I fought my way back into that cove over there and the wind was just going this way. But today, waited a little bit and the wind kind of died off, so it's gonna be a good day. I'm gonna head out into the open and hopefully put on some striped bass. I've been craving it. My mom's been asking for some, so it's the closest place to catch some striper. So we'll see. Beautiful morning. Woohoo! Brought out the bigger ugly stick, heavier line, stronger drag reels. These are my light ocean fishing reels or setup, so targeting a little bit bigger striper, but beautiful, beautiful. The weather is great now. It's dying down to 2 miles per hour. It's great. It's not as choppy anymore. It's warm enough. I took off my jacket. But I'm waiting for the fish to bite. Nah. I guess they're not out in the deeper, so I'm gonna have to come shallower and zigzag around, see if I can find them. Unless they're up by the freeway, then that's a long way to go, but I might zigzag around in and out, see if I find them. If I find them, I'll limit quick. So as soon as I got closer towards the shoreline, I tend to see a little bit more algae, a thicker amount. And I don't really want to be in this area because the algae, I'd rather be away from it. Nothing much going on, so figure might as well take a bite out of my Vietnamese sandwich I bought yesterday. Eat half now, drink the other half later. Simple. Wow, kayak and munch. I got one on. It's all right. It's not heavy though. Oh no, it's not bad. It should be a keeper. It's on my my deep diver too. Woo, it's a keeper. It's a keeper. It holds good. Oh, that's a sideways hook or a tail hook because we're not really fighting. There we go. There goes a little fight. Oh, I was pulling a little line. It's on the surface. I see it. Come on, baby. Come on, slowly. Feels heavy though. It's a keeper for sure though. I just want to see how big it is. There it goes, let's see it. It's under my other line. Just stay under my other line so I don't get all tangled up. I should turn the kayak. Why do you feel so heavy? It feels heavy, but it's not fighting either. Oh, it's a keeper. Got it in the mouth and the stomach. That's why. It was going sideways. Alright. I'm gonna pull in my other line so I don't get tangled up because I've been spinning around. I don't know why people like to grab their fish with the lure still attached, because that shit dangerous. That's how people get hooked, because they don't want to clear the hook away. They want to get the shot with the lure still attached to the fish. I'm like, you guys are crazy. People get hooked all the time because of that. If you just throw your stuff out and away first, there's less chance of getting hooked. Alright. Kind of measure. It's a keeper, but just make sure. $21.25. Keeper. Got one on the smaller lure. Oh shit. This one feels a little bit lighter though. Or at least it just feels lighter. But this one is swimming though. The other one wasn't quite swimming, so let's see how big you are. Ooh, head shake, head shake. Oh, head shake. Come on, baby, that's an easy limit. It's only 10 minutes apart, or 5 minutes apart. Oh, that's a baby though. Damn it. The little guy. Probably like 17, 18. Like a little skinny guy. I don't want to get hooked, so. That could be a keeper too, though. I don't want to lose my lure. I don't want to lose my lure, and I don't want to get hooked. So. Might as well reel in my other line. Let's measure you. Okay. I bet you it's 18. Ooh, no. 19 and a half. That's not bad. So, they're in the foam. Or underneath the foam. Seems like every time I come over the foam, I get a fish strike. And let's have some foam around here. Not sure they are, if they're from the boats, but I haven't seen any boats over here in a while. Or if they're just from whatever's from the water. But it seems like every time I pass over the foams, I get a fish to strike on. Which is very weird, unless they're hiding for cover or shade from the sun while being on the surface. I don't know. But they're biting on the surface though.